Welcome to the life of a basic teenager who has colorful lights in their room, who wears Brandy Melville. That is the content you guys signed up for. I'm sorry, like I really am, but what did you expect? It's 5 p.m. on a Saturday night and I got invited to a party. It's a 2000s themed party, so it's like I kind of need to dress that way and do my makeup and my hair that way. I have absolutely no idea what I'm wearing. I don't know what anything is gonna be. That's why you guys are here to help me, although you probably won't be able to respond until after I post this video, which is fine. But we're still figuring that out. So far, I've already taken a shower and I've done all the goodies. I've shaved. My hair is not done at all, but this is just like air dry. Other than that, we've done nothing to prepare, which is fine, but we gotta get started. So, what did people wear into the 2000s? I don't even have the Pinterest app. Am I a girl? And now we wait. We're gonna try, oh, this is really cute. I have a really cute dress that might go. Okay, we're going to the closet. Behold, this is the skirt I'm looking for. Ooh, there goes the setup. Okay, to be like completely honest, I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like this might also work. If it's gonna take me like 3 hours to find an outfit, I'm gonna be late. The top is from Super Down. I stole it from my sister's closet. It's like a pink velvet cropped zip up. I like it. I feel like I might wear like a white thing under it and like leave it unzipped. Like if I can find like a lace top, I think that would be cute. For the jeans, I'm wearing like low rise jeans with like a rip here, a rip over here, and a rip over here. But they're like this. Now that the outfit is picked, I think I'm gonna go on with like jewelry or makeup. Yeah, we'll do makeup first. I changed my top so I'd be more comfortable. I am still wearing that, but now I'm looking at like what I should do for my makeup and like, you know, that whole situation. I know I look like a mess. We're gonna fix that. So on Pinterest, I looked up 2000s makeup and to me, it just seems like they just wear like blue eyeshadow and like pink lipstick. But can I pull off blue eyeshadow? I don't think so. I'm thinking maybe like pink eyeshadow and just like pink lips. Simple. I think that'd be cute. Pink. We'll go with pink.
Hello?
Are you home?
I'm on my way home.
Are you gonna wear the pink, like, blue denim jean things?
It depends if my outfit turns out good or not. I'll try on my outfit as soon as I get home and then I'll tell you.
Okay, because if you don't wear them, can I pick them up?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Love
I'll call you when I figure out what I'm gonna wear.
Okay, alright. Love you. Bye.
Okay, love you too. Bye.
Now, we're moving on to the makeup portion, and I don't exactly know what I'm gonna go for. I think like pink eyeshadow, so we're gonna see if I can do that, but let's just get started, honestly. So this is what I kind of look like when I'm getting ready for a party, although the only thing different is music playing in the background. So when you're sitting here in silence, it's kind of awkward, but I mean, we could talk about something. Concealer is blended in. We're gonna set it in with powder as always. Like literally look at my powder. Urban Decay, if you wanna send over a new one, that'd be awesome. I think I'm just gonna like jump in with the eyeshadow. I got this really amazing palette from Too Faced. Look at how amazing that is. So I want to play around with this one. There, you get a really nice close-up of my face. Yay. Okay. Oh. We said pigmented. Keep in mind, I have no idea how to do eyeshadow. I think I should just put that out there. We always have makeup remover. For my crease, I want to do like obviously a darker pink. So let's see if I can pull that off. Why is that orange? Why does it already look bad? I'm taking a very like light pink almost and putting that like in the inner part of my eye so it can kind of balance it out. And then some shimmer. We love shimmer. I'm dragging the pink under my eye. Do you see the shimmer? Time for big fat brushes and blending. I'm also gonna tight line. Was clumpy mascara a trend in the 2000s? Should I put on like 10,000 layers? Highlighter! This is a new product. I want to try it. This is my first time using it today, but look at how pretty it is. I'm excited. I'm also putting on a little bit more blush because cheeks were red in the 2000s. I think they were. Okay, I didn't do winged eyeliner with like liquid eyeliner, but I dipped this diagonally edged brush into this shade right here. It's like a burgundy, so it's not really like black, and I just did it with like powder eyeshadow. It's not too intense, which is what I like about it. It doesn't like really catch your eye. It just makes your eyes look a little bit more foxy, and if you watched my last video, I really like that look. This is the makeup, we're done. It took literally like 10 minutes, which I'm kind of surprised about. I didn't really struggle that hard, but I like it. I think it's very soft and subtle and not too like eye-catching, which is nice, and this is it. Ta-da! We have a little mission. I have to go to my best friend's house, pick up these pair of pants that might go with my outfit, drop off a pair of pants that might go with her outfit, and then we might have an outfit change. Who knows? Let's go. Okay. Let's go, mate. Let's go. Okay, we're getting into the 2000s mood. Now I have to go drop off these pants at my friend's house, so let's do that. She's a sweater. They're definitely low-rise.
She's cute. Okay.
We made it home. I have the pants with me. Now we're gonna go in and try it out and see if it like goes with their outfit. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, it's fine. I'll just keep wearing these jeans. But that's it for now. I still need to do my hair. Let's go. Grabbing this is a really good like styler, and it's gonna like keep the rest of my curls in because I didn't like do anything to them. Okay, I don't really care about my hair, honestly. Like my outfit's kind of the main thing. I don't want to like extremely like tight, so I'm trying to find like the right amount of like tightness. And then I grabbed some hair oil, oil it up, make it look nice and sparkly like that. Ta-da! That's the hair. Pretty simple. I'm kind of tired. I've been trying like, I've literally been getting ready since like freaking 5 p.m. and it's like 7:30 and I'm just over it. I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, I'm gonna do a little quick run through. I'm wearing these gold hoops. These are probably from like Forever 21. And then this like velvet zip up hoodie is from Super Down. I'm pretty sure my belt is from Topshop. And then these jeans are the ones that my friend gave me. And then lastly, I'm wearing like these kind of like Docs inspired boots, but they're white and they give me height, and because the pants are long it doesn't touch the floor, so it's perfect. But this is it. Perfect. It's 8:30, so we're right on time. We did it. Let's go. I want to film the outro here in case I won't have time to do it, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in and getting ready with me to go to this high school teenager party. I'm gonna try to get like clips of it, but like I also don't want to be that girl, you know? So we'll see. Maybe I can catch some cute ones of like me and my friend. But I love you guys so very much, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.
Hey.
Okay, so I'm at Mimi's house. You guys know Mimi. Hola. And I'm gonna do a cute little segment, so let's roll. The morning after. 1:45 and we still have not eaten breakfast.
I'm so hungry.
I literally, my stomach is like.